you don't fall.
Good morning from
Ilha Grande.
Ilha Grande is an island that is off the coast of Brazil. It's about 2 hours south of Rio. Yesterday we took not yesterday, I guess it was 2 days ago, we took a BlaBlaCar from Rio to the edge.
Yeah.
Where we took a ferry to get to the island. How much was the BlaBlaCar?
About $6 a person.
$6 a person.
If you don't know what BlaBlaCar is, it's basically like a scheduled Uber to where like if someone's already driving to a place, driving a certain route, they will sell the other seats in their car and you can just like pay the price to hop in on their ride. It's like a carpooling thing. And
it's really smart too because you really cannot make a profit from BlaBlaCar.
Mm-hmm.
All you're doing is saving some costs, the gas costs with other people. We got here 2 days ago. Yesterday we could barely explore it all because we had classes all day. And then last night, Greg randomly got a fever.
I wasn't sick the whole day. I was like completely fine. And then in the evening I got a little bit of a chill. And then we like came back from a hike and like got into the Airbnb here and I was like, ooh.
He got under the covers, put a sweatshirt on and was like, I'm so cold. And I'm like, what are you talking about?
And then she took my temperature and it was 102.5 and then 102.33 the second time.
No, it was 104, no, it was 102.25.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, so it went
up. It went off.
Oh, I thought you had said
He had me take it again because he thought it was wrong.
Yeah. Well.
But today he's feeling better.
Ilha Grande is very famous for just having all kinds of raw natural beaches. It's an island that's really only recently become popular with tourism within the past like 25 years. Because before that, it really just existed to have a massive prison. And it was like, that's all it was. But then they closed down the prison in 1994 and now the island's like exploding with tourism. But it's still really raw. Like there are no cars allowed on the island. The beaches are all like completely raw and undeveloped. So today, we're gonna go into the town and get a water taxi that's gonna take us around the island. That's the only way to get around. And then we have to hike 20 minutes through the jungle to get to an awesome, beautiful, white sand, clear water beach.
Yeah.
So
let's go.
Yeah.
Searching for something that ain't lost. Have we got our lines crossed? We're wasting time on stuff that doesn't really matter, while wishing for something better. I try to fix things that weren't broken, misunderstandings and words unspoken.
The ocean.
We fall apart.
Ready?
And I won't dare to say, do you feel the same way? Maybe you don't wanna know, but you don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you, so maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts. Cause I don't wanna waste my time. Same way, then don't pretend that everything's okay. Don't string me along